What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Good to have you all. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? It's a beautiful day. Where are you watching me from? You know how we be doing it. I am trading binary options and we are on gold OTC chart. So let us see how it goes. I'm anticipating a beautiful night because I had a beautiful day. So let's see. Yeah, my first entry is in. Traders, tell me, how did your day move? How is your day moving? Do you have any traders that looked at their charts? All right, let us see how these two close. Ramyo. Yeah, I'm seeing my friend, the Saumir. Good to have you guys. The names are hard. But I'm watching you all. Ahmad, good to see you all. Good to see you all. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. And now you're in my way. Oh, I can call you Sam. Better. Good to see you, Sam. Good to have you. So call me maybe. This is crazy. So call me maybe. Jerome, good to see you guys. The market is dropping down. That's why I'm executing these sales. I'm just trying to be in line with it. Like I always tell you, following the trend is the easiest way you can really trade as a trader. So let us get these pullback entries. Tell me, guys, how was your day? My day has been good. I had a really great day. And this is crazy. Yeah, I had some time. I really had some time to myself, so it wasn't quite a busy day. It was just a busy day. It was just a day of loving myself. Camilo, good to see ya. How did I identify a reversal? You can see the market gave us a bullish. So it gave us a pin bar and it was followed by a big large green candle. And since we all know after the market breaking structure to the downside, you anticipate a pullback. So basically that's what I really looked out for. And I executed in the opposite direction of the trend because the market was previously trending downward. Like I always tell you guys, when it comes to also trading and you're looking at candles, you're supposed to understand the point of candle closures and how they are closing in a zone that you're really looking at. For example, if you're looking towards having a reversal entry, you're going to see a reversal candlestick pattern, of course, printed on the chart. But more so, you have to also look at the candle closure and the momentum around that. Because, I mean, if we are in a bearish market and we get a bullish reversal candlestick pattern and it's followed by a large bullish momentum candle and it is closing above it, that is a very good sign for you to execute. Yeah, let me hope that really helps you. If King Skeeter. Hey. Yeah, candle closure is key whenever you're also trading. How the candles are closing near themselves is really important. You have to also consider that. I mean, you could be looking out for a move in a particular direction. Maybe you're looking out for buys, But all the bullish candlestick patterns that are really printing on the charts are showing low momentum. It is really not a good sign. Yes, it could be most likely to head there, but the momentum is not yet, maybe the market hasn't yet picked up the bullish momentum. So you can always wait. And the easiest way you can really identify low momentum candles, they normally have small bodies and tiny, they normally have tiny bodies, short wicks. Yeah, they are really, you can just easily tell that this is low momentum and you can wait. All those are key concepts you have to always consider whenever you're trading. Trader Start, good to see ya. Guys, I'm doing okay. I need to hear from you. How are you doing? How has your day moved for you? Do you have traders that have looked at their charts? Do you have traders that had a good day? I need to hear from you. With a text 2 times, call cause I care, but I ain't getting no reply. Trying to see eye to eye, but it's like we. Yes, I go live every night, 8 p.m. UK time. Be sure to mark your attendance because consistency is key on this trading assembly. We show up every day. Oh my god. Let's see how this closes. Beautiful. It was coming for me. But it locked in. So leave your keys on the kitchen counter and give me back that ruby ring with the big diamond. It is over. What you tripping for? I don't wanna have to let you go, but baby, I think it's better if I let you know. No. I'm checking my juices up. I'm moving on to something better. No more trying to make it work. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. Traders, we are here to learn. Yeah, we are always here to learn. Damn. My shorty always on some board like Chicago, so I flip that and the index finger follow. Deuces, we ain't got no future and tomorrow I'm a so it shouldn't be that hard to swallow. The other chick I'm with never complaining. She make me want. You're free to ask any trading question. Probably didn't register. Don't trip. Later on, it will. Shorty full of drama like gangster. Brazils. I finally noticed it. It finally hit me. Like Tina did Ike in a limo. It finally hit me. I got a new chick, and she ain't you. She Paula Patton thick. She give me deja vu. And all that attitude, I don't care about it. But all that I do for her, you gon' Someone, good to see ya. This is a trading assembly, guys. The strategy I'm using to trade is price action, so all my entries are based on that. Better. So let's see how these buys close. Oh my god. Sellers are in. Damn, selling momentum has taken us out. Anyways, guys, let us increase our risk. I mean, the account has grown. Cameroon, good to see ya. How have you been? Ken, good to see ya. You're locked in. That's how it should be. Any traders that move the markets today, that looks at their charts, guys, don't just stay locked in. I need you locked in also on your chart. Yeah, I need you locked in on the charts also. Seem like every time I get the chance, I lose my cool and I blow it. And I get all tongue-tied, lost in your eyes. I'm a fool and I know it. I should have kissed you. I should have told you just how I feel. Next time I won't stop. I'll listen
into my heart, 'cause what I feel is real. I should have kissed you.
Guys, when it comes to trading pairs, I really do not mind. But of course, I would say they are in my top pairs that I really trade on. So maybe I do like them, but I can't choose between which to take. But of course, it's among my top assets that I trade. You all know that. So traders, tell me, which assets do you prefer to trade? Which pairs do you prefer to trade? Since you asked.
How come every time I miss one, I lose my cool and I'm blowing, and I get all tongue-tied, lost in your eyes. I'm a fool and I know it. Hey, I should have kissed you. I should have told you just how I feel. And next time I won't stop, I listen to my heart, 'cause what I feel is real. I should have kissed you. I should have told you.
Traders, tell me, what are your favorite pairs to trade?
I should have kissed you.
Commodities, because pair doesn't change. All right, I got you. USD Euro. Okay. Actually, guys, when I was really as a first-time trader, I used to overtrade Euro USD. Then I shifted to GBP USD. Yeah, those were like my first pairs I really used to trade. Then with time I shifted to gold, because we all know why I shifted to gold. Yeah, so I shifted to gold, and I think I really looked into gold so much. But really, I can tell you guys one thing: when I shifted to gold gave me heart pain, gave me heart attack. Gold did me dirty. Actually, guys, I think most of my trading losses, I got them from trading gold. I don't know if you know that, most of my trading losses came from trading gold. Oh my god, the heart pains I got from gold. But at the same time, I can tell you, gold is one pair that it's one thing that I traded and I really saw results. And it is the pair that has made me most money from trading. At the same time, it's the one that has taken most money. Most of my losses came from gold. But anyways, that's part of trading. It's all part of trading. It's all part of trading. I mean, guys, do you know any pair from your trading, any pairs that have given you serious heart pain? That anytime you think about, you're like, damn.
Black girl brains gonna hug my cheeks. What I look like being pressed. And rock these pants like a freaking dress. 100K, I don't see no less. Got my name engraved on American Express. This is for the girls independent like me. Got my feelings in my pockets, I don't wear it on my sleeves. Trips to Toronto, trips to Berlin. My whole wardrobe paid off by me. Did it on my own before I was famous. Schedule busy, I don't plan on changing. Look in the mirror like I look amazing. No book still ain't paid.
Guys, you have those pairs that you that you sit there and you give that you know they have given you serious heart pain. Me, honestly, gold, I have it on my heart that it really, when I was starting out to trade, it really played on me. It played on me so much. But the thing is, I didn't give up on it. And honestly, I really starting to trade gold because of the people around me. They're all moving the markets and were trading gold. So I wanted to be part of them. I wanted to be part of that team. Cameroon, your worst player has been Brent Oil. Oh my god, sorry about that. Kenny is saying Canada pairs. That's true. Yeah, there are honestly some pairs that don't move sometimes. And guys, I can tell you, you'd rather be on a pair that is moving compared to a slow pair. They are really quite disappointing. I'm seeing someone saying your USD doesn't move. Now, if you're really used to volatile pairs and you shift to some pairs and they are not moving, they are gonna stress you.
I am the proof of what's never been seen. I am so beautiful. I am responsible. I am enough. My soul is complete. More than just
I need to know more traders. Which players have given you hard pain? That where you know that most of your trading losses have come to that. Actually, I don't know if you guys have that feeling when you have got a lot of losses from trading a certain pair. Did you reach a point where you felt like you will never open that chart again? Of course, you'll be missing the chart, but me, when I had really got to a lot of losses when I was trading gold, it had traumatized me to a level that I didn't want to look at its chart again. Of course, I would be missing it, but it had traumatized me so much that I didn't want to look at the chart. But in the long run, of course, I came back. I'm using the indicator with its default settings. Yeah, I have to tell you guys, my entries are not only based on the indicator, I also back them up with pure price action strategy.
messing with no average chick. Pop, pop. He got Nicky, he know that he hit the jackpot. A baller trying to score, check them shot clocks. But I hit them with them prawn, ate the dog blocks. Eat the cake, give me
Suck on my toes, yes.
Hitting them home runs, I be like, go Met.
Gold is very hard to trade because it's more volatile. Yeah, it is volatile, but as a trader, I would want to trade a pair that is really moving. Yeah, I would want to really execute on a pair that moves. But one thing I know about when it comes to trading, if you really used to trading a certain pair, in the long run, you're going to stop seeing it as a volatile pair or something that is slow. You're going to just wake up, trade it. That's why being consistent in the market is key, because actually with being consistent, it's also going to help you pick your trade, the pairs you prefer to trade. I mean, you have been doing it over and over again. Now you know that charts. That than waking up today and you're trading this and this and this. In the long run, you find yourself picking up about 5 pairs and you're sticking to that. Even some traders can reduce it to two pairs. It all depends on how you prefer to trade. Then I know there are some traders out there, and I'm also part of those traders who used to have a lot of things that I would trade, but in the long run, the more you are on a chart, the better it gets. Numbers, good to see ya. Good to have you. This is the Trading Assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. Toxic. Why are you toxic? Toxic, good to see ya. RS, good to see ya. Love you too. Good to have you. Good to have you. There's a link in the description for the platform that I'm using, which is Pocket Options. Good to see ya. Yeah. Oh my God. Let us get another move. Baby, you should be up in my bed. Let me be the one, baby, you deserve better. You know, we got forever better. You know. With all this red carpet shit, baby. Let me be the one, baby, do you mind? I'm a
through that flavor, dripping flavor, any two-piece. I'ma keep my promise, never treat you like a groupie. Calamari dinners got you eating raw sushi. Still in the trap, but I like my bitches bougie. 2 cups of styrofoam, excuse me, little mama. I can hold you down, be your friend and your lover. You want wax and new Versace, you want Celine? Huh. Top back, trimming money, ain't a team boss. Seen the Gucci wagons in my driveway. FaceTime, 2 black bottles by my fireplace. Fell out with your people, so you took the pictures.
Let us get another move, another entry. Shin Jesco, good to see ya. My candles, guys, are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. So the moment I execute, it takes me 15 seconds for my position to either close in a plus or an L. Baby, you should be up in my bed. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. Guys, wow, I'm loving this momentum. And all my positions are locked in and a plus. Assume the position. I'm trying to get to know ya, get a little closer, baby poster. Baby, you should be up in my bed. Do you mind? At the chicken money never lie, no. I'm the one, yeah. Alright, guys, let us see if we can get another move. Traders, tell me, where are you watching me from? Guys, let us first switch. Let us first check out Brent oil and see if we can get any move. The only one. Hey, the chart has been trending downwards, and we are seeing some bullish momentum. So let's see if the structure is going to shift to bullish or sellers are maintaining this. No make had to pull up on your mama, see what you made of. Ain't gotta worry about them comers, cause my cake up. You can ride inside my life on that fame bus, cause I promise when we step out, you'll be famous. Modern day Bunny and Clyde, what they named us. Cause when we pull up, all angles. Yeah, you're looking at the truth, and money never lie, no. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the dawn. Know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. Can you sick of all those other imitators? Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. See you watching go one at a time now. I'm the one, yeah. Ooh, I'm the one, I'm the only one. I'm the one, I'm the only one. Okay, go. Let's see how buyers are gonna move this for us. She went and put that booty on that Gucci belt. She don't got no label. She said she want bottles. She ain't got no table. She don't got no bed frame. She don't got no tables. We just watch. Traders, you're free to ask any trading question. Yeah, I'm trading binary options, and we have just switched to Brent oil TC chart. That's only me. It's okay with me. Okay. You're looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the dawn. Know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. Can you think of all those other imitators? Don't let the only real
would intimidate ya. See you watching going at a time. I'm the one, yeah. Will. I'm the one. Will. I'm the only one. Will. I'm the one. Will. I'm the only one. Looking for the one, what bitch you looking at the one? I'm the best yet, and yet my best is yet to come. Cause I've been looking for somebody, not just any fucking body. Don't make me catch a body, that's for any and everybody. Oh my god, she hit me up all day and no response. Bitch, you blow my heart, that's like nice. Sellers have given us a move. Guys, whenever you're trading, this is a reminder. You have to know that when you're looking at your execution time frame, you consider looking at the most recent price action. Yeah, you're always looking at the most recent price action because the market is always heading in that direction or moving away from that direction. So if you are in a bearish market, you know that when the market is getting into a continuation, it is moving towards the low, the most recent low, and it is going to take it out. So with that idea, what you do once you execute, once you get a selling opportunity, you don't hesitate to execute. You anticipate the market to move down to take out the most recent low, that is the break of structure to the downside. And we all know after a break of structure, the market pulls back. That is market structure rule. After a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback in the opposite direction. And if the market pulls back in a bearish market and it fails to take out the high, because obviously in a bearish market, highs are protected. So if it fails to take out the high, you're going to anticipate the market to get into a continuation. How do you know that the market has failed to take out a high? I mean, it pulls back to a certain level and it gives you another bearish signal that instead of giving you a bullish continuation that is continuing up, but it gives you a bearish confirmation, that is a sign that it's actually switching back to its original trend, which is bearish. All of those things that you're supposed to be continuously looking at the market with that anticipation continuously. That's why looking at price action, the most recent price action, is key as a pure price action trader. Oh my god, my trade and the market continues in my direction. These are the worst entries to be taken out. I mean, the market takes you out but continues in your direction. So what's the point of taking me out? You got it, girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, Fuck around, give you my last name. No, you got the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You're the only one I'm trying to make love to. Picking and choosing, ain't really love you. Running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real nigga stepping in. Don't let them niggas try you. Just your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debate. All you need is me. Traders, good to have you all. Good to have you all. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. And Cameron, you're asking the structure parts of price action. Of course, guys, price action comprises of understanding market trends or market direction, understanding market structure. Market structure is key in price action, and also candlestick patterns. Other traders add in chart patterns. Other traders add on trend lines and resistance and support. All that is still understanding price action. Yeah. And guys, one thing you should know about price action, it's never gonna get out of style because you're literally looking at the market
current market movement to base on your next entry. But I also believe market structure, as long as you're looking at a candlestick chart, it is applicable in all strategies. So understanding market structure as a trader, it is the way to go. And when it comes to understanding market structure, you're not just looking at highs and lows. You have to be looking at the valid points that make up market structure. Yeah, that is really key whenever you're looking at market structure. You have to understand the valid highs, the valid lows. You have to understand candle closures. That valid break of structure happens when a candle closes above that zone. If you don't see a candle closure, I mean, yeah, it is. I wouldn't say it's actually a break of structure, because with me, when it comes to understanding break of structure, I consider candle closure so much. And even when it comes to your entries, when you're on your entry, when you're getting an entry, if you see a candle closing in the direction you're really anticipating, that is like more of a strong confirmation. Yeah, let me hope you get that. If I'm looking forward to executing on a bullish engulfing candlestick pattern, then the bullish candle, of course, has closed. Then it's followed by another green bullish candle and it closes above it. Actually, that is such a better confirmation compared for the next candle being bearish. Yeah. So you have to be understanding all of that as a trader. That's why locking in is key. Looking in is really key, because once you really start looking at the market with such a deeper perspective, you realize most of your trading mistakes and most of your entries, they're gonna get better.
Got a reputation for yourself, God. Everybody knows and I feel left, God. Girl, you got me down, you got me stressed, God. Cause ever since I left
the city, you
started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor.
Guys, my strategy when I'm trading with price action, I only look at understanding the market trend or the market conditions, understanding structure, and I refine my entries with candlestick patterns. I prefer those three confluences, and they're the ones that I always look out for.
I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline bling, that can only mean one thing.
Ever since I left the city, you
and me, we just don't get along. You make me feel like I did you wrong. Going places where you don't belong. Ever since I left the city, you got exactly what you asked for. Running out of pages in your passport. Hanging with some girls I've never seen before. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. And I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing. These days, all I do is wonder if you're bending over backwards for someone else. Wonder if you're rolling up a backwards for someone else. Doing things I taught you getting nasty for someone else.
Let's see how our buys close here.
Why you never alone? Why you always touch
Oh my god.
Used to always stay at home, be a good girl, you was in the zone.
Damn.
Yeah. You should just be yourself. Right now you're someone else. You used to call me on my cell phone.
Let us look forward to getting another move. Friday, good to see you. This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask any trading question. Someone comment locked in. I want to know how many traders are still locked in, so that when I explain a move, you can easily catch on. Ever since I left the city, you. Elijah, good to see ya. Ebinas, good to see you. I'm using the indicator with its default settings. Cameron saying, I noticed if I don't have good structure, nothing else in my strategy works. Honestly, that is true. It's true. I believe me myself, my strategy strongly depends on also understanding market structure. We all know, like I always tell you, market structure, it's showing you the turning points of the market. The market doesn't just randomly move. Of course, there is a reason for, or is at least an understanding for its movements, and it's on a structure that is going to be confirming for you those reasons. I'm in a bullish market. The market has pulled back. When you're in a bullish market and the market is pulling back, that it means it's giving you a bearish movement. You anticipating it to not take out the low. So if it takes out that low in a bullish market, obviously now your mindset is going to shift to anticipating more sellers in the market compared to buyers. Basically, structure has changed. If you keep on understanding those things, like guys, me actually to understand market structure to a deeper level, I told you I would just wake up. I'm not looking for entries. I'm not looking for other thing. I'm just mapping out the right market structure. So you can also use that. You get some time in the day, get some time in a week, get some time anytime you can get. And you just want to map up the right market structure, the right high, the right lows. If you really understand getting those two right, if you look forward to getting both the right market structure, the strong highs and the strong lows, and you understand what the strong highs and lows, how they operate in both a bullish market and bearish market, they have nothing on you. Yeah. Oh my god, this better closing. Okay, nice. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Yeah, I do believe most strategies they rotate around market structure, especially if you're using a candlestick chart. Two-C slide, then I hit it double time, then I hit a spin, cause we spun that block a couple times. If it's not the right time, it'll always be another time. I'm not even tripping with the see them in the summertime. Whoa, yeah. Alright, you're welcome, Cameroon. You're welcome. Nature's good to see ya. David. Our entries in. You're new, Elijah. Good to have you. This is a trading assembly. Amore is here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. And as a trader, you're free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn. And as also we are catching up, because why not? Left foot slide. Right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we gotta slide. Can't let this one slide. Don't you wanna dance with me? No. I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you the passion. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No. I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could give you satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we about to slide. Okay, yes, guys, I have a Telegram channel. There's a link down in the description. You can join my Telegram community and chill with the big ballers. Okay, and be with all traders from all the world, because we are subscribed from all over the world. I feel like I have so much homework to do before I start trading, writing my journal, strategy, watch the market and mark key levels. I mean, that's what trading is all about. That's what it's all about. Like, actually, it's not only about trading. I believe any form of work, we all start with preparation. You have to start with preparation. Guys, I do prepare myself when I'm starting my trading session. I also do prepare myself because that is part of preparation. Of course, when you're just starting out, it feels like homework, like you have said. But if you're doing it over and over again, I mean, I've been trading for 4 years. Of course, my first 2 years, I would sometimes resent really looking at that chart. I'm being honest here. Some days I wouldn't be so excited that I'm going to trade. Yeah, but in the long run, it becomes part of you, and it stops feeling like homework. It feels like what you have to do, like something that you can just normally do. Now it's like part of your routine. Of course, at first it's never funny, guys. To be honest. That's why, as a trader, you need a community. You need traders around you on days when you don't feel like trading, on days when you want to just give up and run away. You have your friends that are around and they are showing you they are around. Because me, honestly, some days it is my fellow traders that kept me in this market. And also having people you really look out for, other traders that you look up for, because honestly, at some point, I believe looking up to some guys, it is what really kept me into trading, because I knew that if we are doing it, that means I can also have a share in this market. Yeah, basically, that's what trading is all about. But I really understand that part of homework. It always feels like that in the beginning. In the beginning you have a lot of work you're putting in, because honestly that's what I was really doing. Actually, when I shared about having a trading plan, it was just recent when I was checking my thing. I have about, I don't know how many books I have about trading, and all those notes, I'm the one who took them. It's not like I have typed work. It was me who kept on taking the notes. So one day I just landed on some notebook of my first trading plan. It was so detailed. Jay, oh my god. Buyers have really come for that position. But after putting in the work, of course you put in the work, but after some time it is only chat work that you're putting in, because most of the things now your mind is used to it.
Hey, how you doing? How's your day going? You know that you can always say what's on your mind. Are you on your way home? I won't up your plate when you arrive. And you go take off your shoes, hot water in the tub for you. Don't have to, but I love it too. Bartender, I pour a drink, a movie on me, entertain. I'm down to do the little things. Just wanna take some time to thank you. And let you know just
Traders, you're free to ask any trading question. This is a trading assessment.
for the bad ones. I see you trying and I do how you keep up with me when you're working, switch your timing when our schedules aren't aligning. That's a sign that it's okay to finally tell the world that you are more than enough for me. Like it when you waking up, breakfast on the table, know you like eggs and nails scrambled up. Pancakes, bacon, OJ on the side. At your bag with extra clothes, your toothbrush and the Louis toe love notes for when you on the road. Cleaned your watch and Cuban links, so pillowcase for you to take. Boy, you deserve a little thing. Yeah. Just wanna take some time to thank you. And let you know just how you make me proud. Good times make up for the bad.
Joshua, good to see ya.
I see you trying and I don't know how. You keep up with me when you're working, switch your timing. When our schedules aren't aligning, that's a sign, that's a sign. That
Peggy, good to see ya.
tell the world that
time frame.
you are more than enough for me. More than I can say, and you keep giving me more and more each day. Oh, baby, and I never thought I'd end up with the man of my dreams. You're really him. I don't mind taking time, baby. I'm gonna do the little thing. And I can say, and you keep giving me more and more each day. Oh, baby, and I never thought I'd end up with the man of my dreams. You're really him. I don't mind taking
Guys,
time,
when it comes
baby,
to
I'm
time
gonna
frame
do the
analysis,
little
you're
things.
supposed to, personally, I do analyze the 5-minute chart, the 3-minute chart, and I also come on the execution time frame, which where my count is a 5 second. But in all your time frames, guys, that you're analyzing, how I do analysis on a 5-minute chart is the same strategy that I use on my execution time frame. The difference is when what I do to understand on a 5-minute chart, like I always tell you, a higher time frame. If a higher time frame is trending in a bullish way and gives you a bearish, it confirms that it's going to get into a bearish pullback. As a trader, when you come on your execution time, what you're going to see on a what you're going to see on a lower time frame, it is just a bearish trend. For a higher time frame, it's just a pullback, but on a lower time frame, it's a trend. So basically, that's how I really do time frame analysis. And like I always tell you, what you see as a single candle on a higher time frame, when it comes to a lower time frame, it's going to be about 3 candles or more. It all depends. So you have to be knowing how to identify that, and it helps you with just execution and more understanding of what a lower time frame could be up to. To know that if you can be close to you, I send out for the ghost of you. I miss you more than life. You guys are crazy. And if you can't be next to me, I know it's ecstasy. I miss you more than life. I miss you more. Today the market has cooked. Guys, like I always tell you, when it comes to personal trading, it is you doing your personal trading, and that mindset should really change. I settle for the ghost. I miss you more than life. And if you can't, trading should be personal. So anytime you're really on that chart, you should know that you're doing it for you. So doing it right and doing it to really, at first it is doing it to grow your skill. So, I mean, who is ready for the donation? Let us first secure our profit. Then we get into the donation. Someone comment ready, because we are getting into them in a few. Come and get it at a night down home. All right, I see you guys are ready, and we all know if you want to be part of the participants tonight, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. Donations are not financial investments, they are purely for trading. They're purely for trading and learning. Oh, you belong to me. From Mr. Right, need that magic to change him overnight. Here's the answer. Come and get it, while you still got time. Alright, first attempt moved so fast, guys. Let's get another move. I'll make you fall in love. Promise others can be broken. Boy, you belong to me. I got the recipe. Oh, you belong to me. Traders, you're free to ask any trading question. The indicator we're seeing on the charts, it's Keotina channel, and I'm using it with these default settings. My entries are not only based on the indicator, they are backed up with also price action. Eat it! It's all about magic. They thought that you was a shy girl until I made you my girl. Now you push me like a big boy. Till I cuffed you like you did something. Guys, this is our final attempt for our participant. And wow, guys, are you seeing this? Sellers have really done it for us. Immediately locked in. Let me see. Type congratulations to Lofienz. And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participants. So we do that. Yeah, let me see more congratulations, guys, to Lofienz. I used to be quiet till I brought that loud. You say your dollars is amount. Hey, your mama, your accountant. You watch your figures, you a big deal. Big deal. Got your French prince and a big wheel. Big wheel. Big coat, that's a big kill. Put you on the fall like a windshield. I don't know that you gon' come for me. Never gonna not yeah, your loving is just too. And every time I hit my phone, you say you need company. I'm Marina for you. So we move on to our next. I'm a Renard boy. 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 Major keys, I'm the boss. Don't get Zelda go off. Left from the loft and went to Bergdorf. Most of these dudes is really quite soft. 45 special, this is my cloth. I put sugar in my spaghetti sauce. Fire burn. Just another day. I switch it off. I switch it off. Alright guys, first attempt is in and sellers are still cruising, are still moving the market down. And guys, by the way, when it comes to pullbacks, the market can pull back in between there, but if it has not really taken out for a bearish market, if it doesn't take out the most strong high, I mean, it could give you a few structures in between there, but all that structure is not valid to be considered as a next move. You have to always be looking at the strong high or low that the market is always looking up to when it comes to market structure. That's why it's always nice to know and identify those two. Oh my god, oh my god, this was a pullback entry, but sellers are quick to invalidate this. Damn! Oh my god. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. Next time better coping. Oh my god, excuse me. sorry. Sorry about that.
Stephen Marley, let them know what time it is. We came in to party, we came in to dance. You know that you're my girl, damn right of me, man. This night going too good, don't fall for the games. He said, she said, dumb shit. I got a whole lot of names and a whole lot of numbers, but I throw them away, cause I think I'm unlucky.
Her name is Mary Jane. Tech Wizard, good to see ya. Home Boss, good to have you. Voice of the Saint. All right. Let us buyers do it for us. To love.
Been around up, fame, been around up, money, been around some names, but the Chico's still the same. Some things never change. Here's a tip: show me your friends, I'll show you your future. Keep the change. I seen them come and go. I seen them sell their souls. You a number one draft pick, baby. Let's pick and roll. I always keep you up on a pedestal. Misery is company, baby. Don't sweat. I got a whole lot of names and a whole lot of numbers, but I throw them away, cause I think I'm unlucky. Could be the Mary Jane or the spell that I'm on, but I know what this could be. Tearing up my history for you.
Can I get someone to love? The chosen, you're chosen. Good to have you. I don't want. Guys, we just have one attempt to go. Then we hit our target. We hit our target. Actually, you can see structure is really nice. There are sometimes when market structure is so crazy, but it's honestly the market is really moving well. Let's see if we can get another move. I got option. Can we get someone to know? So stop thinking about the wrong thing. You know we got a strong thing. So stop thinking about the wrong thing. Nice, nice. This really moved well. Let me see you type congratulations, guys, to Paxo. It was low momentum, but 2-hour entry locked in. So let me see you type congratulations to Paxel. Girl. And you know how we do it? Everything goes to the participant. My mama called, seen on TV, since that shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Oh, yes, more congrats. Yes. I'm jumping out of bed, yeah. And I know it's not dramatic, yeah. But I know how to have it, yeah. For the money you're savage, yeah. I mean, you sound like I have it, yeah. I'm surrounded 20 battles, yeah. They didn't love me last year, yeah. Everyone wanna act like they important. But all that mean nothing when I saw my door, yeah. Everyone counting on me, drop the ball, yeah. Everything custom like I'm at the bottom. Yeah, yeah. If you fuck with winning, put your lights to the sky. How could I make sense when I got millions on my mind? Coming with a push, I just put it to the side. Wanna say some baby, they can see it in my eyes. My mama called, see you on TV, so say shit that change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. This is a trading assembly. Traders ask any trading question. I am trading binary options. My strategy is simple, keeping everything not complicated. So structure is looking bullish. Let's see if we can get any buys. Yeah, nigga, valuation. I'm looking for someone to call, baby. But right now I got a situation. Never old been for big ring, champagne. My life is like a ball game, but instead I'm in a trap though. What's so big, call it Super Bowl. Super Bowl. So it's like we're getting into a bullish a bearish pullback. You can see this, very valid. Of course, my mindset right now, I am still bullish until the market really gives me a reason to shift my bias to being bearish, but I'm still bullish. So let's see. Congratulations. People hating saying, look who we made it. Young and nigga, granny, We are in with our second attempt. We in with our second attempt. Really, this moved fast. I love such entries. I love such entries.
Baby, baby, when we first met, I never felt something so strong. You were like my lover,
My best friend.
alright, then one with a ribbon on it, and all of a sudden, been there. I didn't know how to follow. It's like the shot is running around, and now I'm there. I feel so empty and hollow.
Alright guys, this is our final attempt and buyers are already giving us some good moves here. Two candles are closing above our entry. Wow. Can we type congratulations to Declan? Let me see, type congratulations. I did not know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. Guys, I need to see more congratulations to our participants. Anyways, we're going to our next. The market is still moving well. We have. The market is still bullish. Let us see if we can get any move. Louis, I see ya. Mark the trader, good to have you. Guys, this trade we waited for it, so it better close in my anticipation. Damn, what was that? Oh my god. Okay, let us refund and try again. Just one attempt. Let us refund and try again. You know it, when I take a loss on the first attempt, I refund. Yes, guys, every day, of course, we have to do donations. And if you want to be part of the participant, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that, Louis. Donations are not financial investments, they are purely for trading and learning purposes. So, guys, let us get another attempt. Guys, I was here and I remembered I remembered my seasons of revenge trading. Guys, tell me, what is the worst market indiscipline that you feel like you have overdone? Me, when it comes to me during with my trading life, I think there's a time when I used to over revenge trade. Oh my god, crazy. Mhm. Okay, this is already moving in our direction. Okay, guys, let me see. Type congratulations to Nari, to L. Let me see. Type congratulations to L. Let me see. Type congratulations to L. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participants' account right away.
I heard you good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something, right? Cause I'ma try and work it out. Good white wine. I come alive in the nighttime. Yeah. Okay, away we go. Only thing we have on is the radio. Let it play. Say you gotta leave, but I know you wanna stay. You just waiting on the traffic jam to finish, girl. The things that we can do in 20 minutes, girl. Say my name, wear it out. It's getting hot, crack the window, air it out. I can get you through a mighty long day. Soon as you go, the text that I write is gonna say. Everybody knows how to work my body. Knows how to make me want it. Before you stay upon it. They got this something that keeps me so balanced. Baby, you're a challenge.
Let me explore your time. Oh my god. That is crazy, Cameroon. But to be honest, revenge. So you are already posting to revenge trade. I think that has also ever happened to me when, like, you blow your account and you feel the need to really post there and then, and you show the market that you're not a trader they play with. Honestly, over trading, I mean, revenge trading is crazy, and once it has gotten into your mind, you're really going to find yourself redepositing until you wipe your entire account. I'm not even talking about now your trading account. I'm talking about your personal, honestly, revenge trading. I don't know if you guys have been there. Traders who have been there, share your experience. And until when the market has taken out all your money, that's when you come back to your senses and you're like, damn, what was wrong with me? What was really happening to me? Oh my god. Our first attempt has been invalidated. Let us refund and try again. Oh my god, guys, let us look in. Cameron is saying all the stories I share really hit your soul hard. But to be honest, I can tell you guys, trading, there are years that it gave me serious heart pain. Actually, sometimes I randomly be thinking about those moments and I laugh so hard because that time when I was experiencing them, actually I cried. It was not funny at all. Some moments I would really find myself crying. But anyways, I'm glad I didn't give up after all those tears. Yeah. So funny that we all experience the same thing. That only shows that we are only human. So let's see how our buys are closing. So we are already having movement in our direction.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk on line, 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 line. I'm in the cafe.
Let us go for our second attempt.
Drive me a dessert.
Mm-hmm.
You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right.
Nobody touching a crisis.
I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my vision. You been sticking with love, I brought for you for foundation.
I want you to give me something that I never had. Bears are more in the market, so let's see. Let's see. They're about to break structure to the downside. And guys, whenever you see a break of structure, you anticipate a pullback. It can happen immediately or it doesn't happen immediately. Your eyes just have to be locked in on the charts and you can start telling when you see really a confirmation. Then stop hearing the streets. Alright, this is already moving well, guys. Are you seeing this? Because right now I'm trying, baby. Let me see. Type congratulations to Talia.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done at work.
Guys, type congratulations. Type congratulations.
Don't get out of way to know long distance I need you.
When I see production, I gotta see it through. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant. You know you need to get done.
Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas trying to end me off. Yeah.
I spilled all my emotions tonight, I'm sorry.
Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face.
You compete the time and the place. You spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work. It's me at the work, 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 work. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that work, 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 work. When you are la 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 la, when the cat from my dirt, 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 dirt. Work, 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 work. All right. On to our next. Traders, you're free to ask any trading question. You're free to ask any trading question. Godwin, good to see ya. Yeah, yeah. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with her friends, yeah. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with her friends. Some little dream and riding in the bus. You don't smoke, but it's cool with friends. Some city with your girls on the weekend. 17 outside out past the main man for donations, guys, is 400. Good to see ya. Good to see you. You're not late. You're just on time. This is a trading assembly. And if you want to be part of the participants, there's a donation link down in the description. Kirain. Let's see what we do. Anything you do, everything's for you. Drama is for you. Take that L, you lose. Take that L, you lose. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama with friends. She got a little bit of drama. Let us watch out for a move. Patience is key while trading. All those are skills that you get to learn when you're done, when you're tired of taking losses. You learn how to be patient and you wait for a move to happen that makes sense to you. Honestly, if you are a trader and you focus on taking trades, that's really where moves are really, the market is making sense to you. Yeah, you're going to find yourself finding it easier for you to trade. If you're not understanding what's happening, chill. Wait for the market where you're going to be understanding, especially if you're just starting out how to trade. All those things, they are going to help you in the long run. Actually, you're going to find yourself, you'll be seeing more moves compared to when you're just starting out. The key is to protect your capital. You don't get wiped out. Guys, if you have not answered you're free to ask again. Sometimes I don't see that. Some questions I don't see them. So this is our second attempt and it is already flowing. How did you learn candlestick psychology? Actually, guys, of course, you're going to learn about candlesticks from everywhere. I mean, information is always out there, videos, what and what. But when you're going to reach a point in your trading to understand honestly how you can really apply candlestick patterns to your trading, it has to be you clearly looking at the charts. That's why being consistent and actively being in the market, it's going to really ease your trading. That's all I can say. That's what you can really, that's when you can really say. I can tell you. So understanding candlestick patterns, with candlestick patterns, you have to know to always look out for candlestick patterns in key areas. And like I also tell you, when it comes to candlestick patterns, Also looking at candle closures, its body, the wick, all those help you. They're going to help you to get a more refined entry compared to just trading, because you're just seeing a bullish pin bar or a bearish pin bar. Also looking at the next candles that are coming after the candlestick pattern, it's key. And if the body is big and it's in the direction you anticipated, better. Yeah, the better it gets for you. But all those things, you have to also be in the market and you see them. Guys, trading, it's a skill that we build. So the more you're really into it, the better and easier it's gonna get for you, and the shorter your journey is gonna be. I'm saying this because I believe I was supposed to be more profitable after 1 year of trading. But what was really stopping me was being inconsistent. So if you can short that, let me see you type congratulations to Nick Taylor. Let me see you type congratulations to our participant. More congrats to our participant. Yeah. Your entries are so precise. How do you know the market? Guys, when it comes to trading, as a trader, the first thing you have to understand that there is no certainty when it comes to the market. You cannot be 100% sure that the market is going to buy. Honestly, you can never be certain about that. It is same way you can never be certain that the market is going to sell. Certainty in the market does not exist 100%. That's why we'll be having our strategies. But even when you have a strategy, you're relying on it that it may give you about 70 to 80% entries that are in your line, and you know that 20% are the trades that are going to go against you. That's why after having a strategy, you also add on having risk management, that in case anything goes against me, my account doesn't get wiped out completely. Yeah, there isn't anything like being precise. When you're trading, it's all about having a probabilistic mindset. That is it. Let me hope you get it, David. Probabilistic mindset, that I may execute a trade, everything is lined with my strategy, but still it goes against me. Basically, all my entries are based on my strategy. So if it all goes well, of course I lock in the profits, because why not? And if it doesn't, I also just know the market is the market, and I look forward to getting another better entry. Yeah, we go again for second attempt. Let us get it. Let me tell you no. Ooh, baby. Trying to decide if I really wanna go out tonight. I never used to go out without you. Not sure remember how to. Gonna be late. All my girls don't have to wait, 'cause I Everything. All right, let us see what buyers have for us. Internally, but nothing but your t-shirt. Gotta be strong, but I'm really hurting now that you gone. Thought maybe I'd do some shopping, but I couldn't get past the door. And now I don't know if I ever really gonna let you go. Didn't even leave my apartment. I'm stripped down, torn up about it. Nothing feels right when I'm not with you. Alright, let us see how these buys close. We have patiently waited for them. And we type congratulations to Barbara. Yeah, 2 items are locked in. Honestly, I can say this entry was based on patience. Yeah. Sometimes you can see the market really flying and you want to go with it. But we patiently waited for a move. Guys, let me see more congrats to our participant. Nothing feels right when I'm not with you. This is a trading assembly. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. With nothing but your t-shirt. Can you tell me about your strategy and how it's gonna work to enter? All right, okay. Guys, the strategy that I'm using is price action. And with price action, I look at mainly understanding the market direction. Oh my God. I look forward to understanding the market direction. That means I'm looking at, is the market trending upwards? Is the market trending downwards? Am I dealing with a sideways market? So when you know that, guys, as a trader, it's going to be easier for you to execute entries. I mean, if I'm in a bullish trade, I want to look forward to either getting buys as a continuation trade or getting pullback entries. Those are sells. The other thing I always look forward for in my strategy is understanding market structure. We all know market structure is going to show you the turning points. So if you are in an uptrend, you're looking forward to having higher highs and higher lows. And if you're in a downtrend, you're looking forward to having market structure moving in series of lower highs and lower lows and continuously breaking structure to the downside and breaking structure to the upside for a bullish market. The other thing you always look out for is refining my entries with candlestick patterns. So basically, that's what I always look out for in my strategy. The strategy can seem simple, but execution is where the real trading happens. So, and the best way you can really get better at execution is continuously and consistently being part of the market. I mean, the more you are actively into trading, the better it gets. So guys, let us get another attempt. Currently, you can see the market is trending upwards. So let's see. Okay, sellers are trying to give us a pullback here. Like guys, I always tell you, if you see such big candles, yeah, you really get to see that this is a pullback. You don't see one you don't see one red candle after a break of structure and you immediately enter and that's a pullback. There has to be something really serious going on. Oh my god. Second attempt is in, but her target not yet met. Yeah, guys, you don't just see one red candle in a bullish market after a break of structure, you assume it's a pullback. Candles have to be showing you momentum big enough to confirm the pullback. Oh my jeez. All right. Target has been made. Let me see you type congratulations to Axel. Please. And you know how we do it. You know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participant. Let me see you type more congrats. You might be right, but I don't care. There may a reason why I had to give you up. The heart's want what it wants. Guys, let me see you type congratulations to all our participants for tonight. Yeah, and any trader where any participant where it didn't go well, next time better. Guys, I'm always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So if you want to join the trading assembly, you know it. 8 p.m. UK time, we are always here. Where I'm sharing my trading strategy, I'm sharing my trading experience. You know that anything that is happening to you as a trader, that it is also part of experience. We have all been there from beginner stage to where we are. You have been there. I know about revenge trading. I've done it. Fear of execution, it has happened to me. It has really happened to me. Oh my god. I feel like revenge trading and fear of execution were my worst. They were the worst things that happened to me as a trader. Actually, yes, losses were there and losses really happened to me, and but losses are part of our game. But fear of execution, I don't think there is nothing that compares to that from the pain I got from that. Only that. So when I tell you about when I tell you about being consistent, I know if you have that problem of fear of execution, it's only consistency that is going to help you to get over it. But when you start being consistent, you start risking small, and as your psychology keeps on getting better and your trading gets better, that's when you can think of increasing your trading time, your risk that you're taking based on that. So as traders, you have to all know those things, and having a trading community around you, it is something that is going to keep you sometimes in the market, because yeah, losses are part of the game, but if they are happening to you, you may think that it's only happening to you, but all traders take losses. The difference is you have to have risk management so that when a loss happens to you, your account is not entirely wiped out. Your account is not entirely wiped out. That's the beauty of risk management, guys. But sometimes those things they only make sense until you're tired of losses and all that. Because actually me being tired of losses also helped me so much with risk management. You reach a phase in your trading and you just want to do it better. For this one time, you want to do it better, and if you are at that stage, just lock in. Everything is gonna align. Mm-mm-mm. Let us first catch these cells because why not? Mark the trader, you're welcome. Cameroon, good to see you. Peter, good to have you. Good to have you guys always on the trading assembly. Much love from here. All right, I'm seeing someone. Guys, I prefer trading on the PC. I prefer trading on the PC. Yeah, I'm seeing someone asking about that. Mr. G, good to see ya. Good to see ya. Guys, there's a link in the description for my Telegram channel. You can join, and I have a Signal group. So you can write to me via Telegram and I'll put you in the group. All you have to do is to create an account with my link. Then I'll just add you to the group. Yeah, if you want a cool bot for trading, there's a link in the description for Skynet trading bot. Yeah, you can write to Skynet support team and you get a free bot right away. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link down in the description for it. It's been a beautiful night. Let us add these buys. Oh god. Guys, good night. Good night. I love you so much. Let us catch again tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. Bye.